Abandoned cart emails are one of the highest ROI automations in e-commerce when they're built correctly. In this video, I'll show you how to build an abandoned cart flow in Klaviyo step by step in 2026 using timing and structure that actually converts. All right, start by going to the Flows section in Klaviyo. Click Create Flow or open the Flow library. You can start from scratch or use Klaviyo's abandoned cart template and customize it. Now, this is critical. Choose the Trigger Started Checkout. This targets users who showed strong buying intent, not just casual browsers. Higher intent equals higher conversion. Next, add smart filters. Exclude people who placed an order since starting checkout. Also exclude people who already received this flow recently. This prevents annoying customers who already bought. Now, timing. Your first email should go out fast, usually within 30 minutes to 1 hour. This is when purchase intent is still high. Waiting too long kills recovery rates. All right, the first email should be simple. Remind them what they left behind, show the product, and add a clear call to action. No discount yet. Just remove friction. Now, add one or two more emails. The second email can address objections like shipping, returns, or trust. The third email can add urgency or a small incentive if needed. Different messages catch different buyers. Next, personalization. Use dynamic product blocks to show exactly what the customer left in their cart. Relevant visuals and product names dramatically increase clicks. Finally, test everything. Preview emails, test links, and check that exclusions work. Once it looks right, turn the flow live and monitor performance weekly. And that's how to build an abandoned cart flow that actually converts: strong trigger, fast timing, focused messaging, and smart follow-ups. Get this right, and you recover revenue without sending more campaigns.